Hi, my name is Jason Stepina, and this is another example of one of our healing socials. This is a big event that we bring people together to get free healings, and I just want to show you an example of one of the healings that took place so you get an idea of the magic and the beauty that happens at these incredible events that we do. So you have some PTSD. Are you feeling any sort of discomfort from it?
Extreme exhaustion right now. I have vagus nerve damage from long-term PTSD that is affecting my digestion. I'm feeling lots of discomfort in my stomach right now, and I keep getting tingling that's going down the back of my neck into my fingers and down into my toes.
Like from a scale of 1 to 10, like how is the discomfort in the digestion and abdominal area?
At the moment, it's about a 4 or 5. It usually, during a flare-up, it can get worse than that, but at the moment, it's about a 4 or 5. The pressure today, tension is probably about a 4.
You can go ahead and just sit there, and what I'll just have you do is kind of keep your hands at your sides like that, because it just helps the energy flow. We're going to go in right now.
I felt pressure relieved around my head.
Excellent. That's great.
The cramp that I've been feeling for 5 hours just moved.
And yeah, it's just really wanting attention, just running the energy just constantly through it, sort of through your nervous system, through your abdomen, through your spine, through the vagus nerve. When I first started working, there was like a lot of emotion, and now the energy is flowing through, and now it feels like joyful.
There's been a blockage in some triggers, and that I can feel some relief from that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
awesome.
Woo.
And then how about like the tension?
Oh, I don't feel it. All the pressure that's been here even all day is not there.
Just going down to a 0.
Yeah, it is.
Now, where's your at the abdomen now from a scale
I
of 1
don't
to
feel that cramp that I've just had all day. I've had a permanent spasm that would not release, and I don't feel it at all.
going down to a 0?
Yeah,
Awesome. That's fantastic.
thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome.
Powerful.